Upper too bad. We don't dey sleep. Now all those boys with the new park up for Libya, all of them, they're full there well. 5 o'clock we don't lock door. Immediately you work for 10 and at 4 o'clock I don't face my house.
Upper not get problem. Why I say upper not get problem? Because I get believe say yes. Why people dey feel maybe upper get problem, maybe killing no. Now because of the youth, I get believe they not get many of them not get what they do. They understand so and they go break, no work for them. Now people dey feel maybe upper the hot. They understand upper they nice. They understand so I get believe say if government gives them good job, give them something to do, I get believe say yes. By time to come, everything go dey okay.
No yama. You know, you yourself know the year now. 4 o'clock people dey stop and never dey enter house. I don tire. Keke na pay all the work reach 4 5. Na leg you take check go house. In any sir.
Upper, no be the way those state people think. Now so upper be now. Upper is a better place. If you watch now, if you see many youth sef, many people will be say, now there if you want buy land sef, now there you see better land buy, go build house. You understand? Upper is good. Not be the way people think. Not be so upper be. Not they say there, but my mom did that side. Me I dey go visit my mom. You understand? So I dey go there, they see good living there. Not be the way you think about upper, not be so upper be. Upper good. You understand? When I say upper, you know good, you know, now lie, now be that. If you want buy land, me you know discourage you say you want come go, say you know go upper, now lie. Upper good.
Upper don't be where person will stay at all because now upper for the keep mama, they keep the king, keep father, keep person, broad daylight or keep. Even they say who keep for this man, for inside upper, inside normal you guys.
Stay for upper now, but not the stay for upper again because upper not good. Because inside last 4 months for upper and so kicking that they keep people. We don't know because they keep me live my life. Let me know. Even say for upper say no jollof rice. If I want buy jollof rice now, they try across come on Sapmo Valley. Before I see jollof rice. Nothing so upper no good. Pure not the cool. No good people for upper. Only people that receive for upper are Curtis people. Eye, Ayes, Arobaga, Thief. All of them like the upper. That's why we don't like upper.
My brother, this upper, the way when this upper life they there. In fact, we not get better security for this country, for this upper at all. Those boys who say they be cutty, all of them, they not even let them even they trade the game well. Even if you go even they sleep for a house around 7 to 8, they don't come from where to collect all your phone.
All these boys so when they say they be cuties, they not they let us. We when they say 6 o'clock, 5, we don't already close. And na evening I be market. Before you know it, they don't they rush, they come they collect our money, they carry our things. Now your maker will not get peace again.
Most times we girls are not safe. We are usually scared of taking our phones along the way or even holding our phones. It happened to me a long time ago. I was with my phone. Then some people collected my phone and my money when I was coming from work.
To make government give us work and about to me pass civil defense. All the old police wey dey state, make they date here. Make they all date here. Make they the war, make they come up.
What you go fit change this upper now to pack more security, and soldier with lights. Government will put light for all those sides, all those street lights, soldier, security. Nobody's always civil defense. They do all those vigilante. They do all those vigilante. All those vigilante. Many of them are still cultists, and many are still thieves. That vigilante go there. It's many until they rob. They do those community until they do. They need security, better security.
What they do for upper is that simple. Like that upper now, all those years me did that side. We they give them 1 or 2 work for that upper because upper now never know what they upper self. Now to ever see rate down, we they change and carry people may do work on upper so that jollof rice go do upper. Because people know they sell jollof rice for upper. Now that because they pay me pass that jollof rice so they miss out because Buhari banned that for federal. Upper people they go see ban jollof rice.
This upper be so what we fit do for this upper now we go make everybody get peace for this upper. We need about soldier checking point like Tiri from welfare to Idogbo. We go get one for Normal Junction, one soldier checking point for Normal Junction. Then we'll get another one for Tirias Junction. Then we'll go get another one for Idogbo.
Government go fit bring like all these military people, make they just come they waka up and down, not be even checking point. Because if they say me they put checking point now, they go still pass their back, still do what they do. Both daytime or afternoon or evening, or now they tell they do what they do.
La when you have to just my baby, you my Tirias. Maggie came in Sota.
What you want like about this area before, not even now. We be get freedom for this upper before. You feel work anytime. You feel find where also for daytime. But no. Nobody will get peace. I don't like anything about upper again. No. Presently, no.
And not just like even many people that they run, they come up on the upper. I not like again.
Upper, why I like upper boy? I don't feel like upper boy. I don't say they're too rugged. They feel put the same assistance, so.
This place we face so, that be the main upper Sakmomba. Now we just enter so. See now this one are the moats. Where divide the Obaoka and Oredo and the moat. That be this. I cross on. And here na Edo Street, popular known Edo Street. After 3rd Junction, na Edo Street. That be the next road where this road before, na Tide Road. But the way things continue to be, our government, they never feel say work on this side, though they try, but they never reach here. So they are a savior junction. This is a savior, so at the time it's not good. But right now the new governor Obaseki, I just do this work now, this project, I don't the time and they go very far. You see where the car they go, where they don't walk reach, at where I don't drive. If they drive from now to here to 100 feet now, a very far place. So after that place, the other place now see the around 3rd Junction. Like this place now, this Nipco filling station now has fed the year. So now they have to, the owner of this place, they sell them, let's give them to filling station. A filling station I can't do here now. So you can buy this thing you see now as at 8 o'clock to 9 in the night, they see they work. They never close. Also with this faith in God filling station, so now so you see bill, now so you just see bill, now person now has fed city there. They say sell filling station can enter there. So all this place now, if you watch this circle, now just filling station and house. So the other place they develop every day. See all these old houses now before. Some of them now they renovate again to become modern house. Change the roof and all that. So see another filling station now see there by your left. This is by your left, so now house I see there here. Here na popular Republic Junction. Now house I see there here. But they have to sell the house. Give out to filling station. Then not to filling station. Popular Public Junction. So if you see go front, it's on a First Bank. And First Bank where they pass up with this one. This First Bank where you see so where they pass up so people they come here. If you see people now they don't full ATM. That's the only way. The only place where you see come for First Bank. Say you operate First Bank. Where you say get everything you want get. Do anything you want to do concerning First Bank now. See here. Here where one reach now I be UBA. This one are UBA. So this road, this Tide Road is so now Comrade Governor Somole now fair award this contract before he come out. But last now Obaseki too now I call tie and reach Eweka. And this road now jump Eweka. This road jump Eweka. This one are UBA now. That one be the only UBA to waste the upper Sakomba. So they're gonna see our business they go on for this area now. Some people now cars, they sell cars now for upper. They sell cars for upper. One buy tell you all those plasma they see they sell for upper here. So the things they go. This Polaris Bank, I think the former Sky Bank, whatever. Now go to Polaris Bank. Now this bank, you don't see where this one see there on an old bank, on an old Eweka Junction. Now there the bank there. Oh, there were car junction. Opposite now be Niger College Junction. You see students now, they go school. And on this road now be Niger College Junction. Lead to Niger College. Now this one be Eweka. So this Niger College now be the school where they talk so now me go come out. And therefore come out as for get my secondary school results. And soldier barrack before they come convert to school. And it still they exist. From then now, here now hide that where in the evening people physically come see enjoy yourself, take day drink and all that. So everything they go on here, see restaurants, see barber salon. Here another filling station, they see sell this land too for this safe filling station people. So they come here na car wash, the most organized car wash for the whole of Upper Sakwamba be this one. Here na AK Junction, opposite here, this side road, na be AK Junction. This side road they back, so na be AK Junction. And here now, if you close your seats for Niger College, you can see come out through this place. So yeah, this one another big church too for Upper, where people see they come. Glory Land Chapel. So here na Popular Goreti Junction. Popular Goreti Junction. I hear the little St. Maria Goreti School. This one our Obaseki police where we call them. But now they in charge of traffic for Edo State. Not supporting by all this road safety. So now they control this road where we say traffic not the daily road. But like this very place where we all day so this very place now be the main Goreti Junction when we go carry boats. I mean Kenu come one time come video say Morocco to Spain by the help of our governor we see come one time Sareme Osumbo and he tie this place, he cast this place, not be say he tie, he just only tie, he cast time, he give guarantee say this place before he go give problem now it go take time. So he really settled down, he settled down, not he by himself. Now by himself they come, they inspect this work every day. Now they come here, he must make sure say he come here before he go out in the evening or early in the morning before he go work in the morning. Now all these gutters, I ain't come through these gutters before these gutters not true. So if rain fall now, before you come, before in the next 1 hour or 30 minutes, everything don't sweep out. You know, say now at the sound, rain fall yesterday night, here don't dry now. So you see that they go. Yeah, the next turn by your left, and I be the popular Agwebo Street where all of us know. Agwebo Street where everybody don't know. I be this one by your left. Agwebo Street. Now this one lead to United. This one still go to Sesavio. One was Sesavio. This one at YB. On our YB Street. This one our new governor too. Take it. Now I go see tie this one. Maybe the first time before, but the don't that old tie and FND. So now I can change and again put this new tie. So this is before Upper. Really come this place so now I come the way they will say road. And they say road and the owner and I wear white we stand there so. And then they say road here. And if you want to buy road, now then they see the buyer for Upper. You see the front too. See the front. So all this place now I be Ogbedi. Many for Upper, people where they Upper, there are many people where they go buy. There are many people, many for Upper. From here go reach Idogbo, people full everywhere. In this place now traditional ground, our Oba Bini, and they get this place, and they just now you get this traditional ground, and they call this place Uguneriye. Now Oba traditional ground, I just be this one. As we they go this place now, this place traditional ground, this traditional ground, so this place so. Now you they go so only this filling station. Then I be Agwagi Street before Mucheche, before Wefe, Agwagi Street. This filling station is old filling station for this Upper, very old filling station for this Upper. That's when there's the time of fuel scarcity now, where they say fuel the scarce, now here they call the queue that time. The Welfare Junction. This place will not be Welfare Junction. If you go inside now Obaseki you see tire. So if you go inside now, go reach before the ending by your left, you see the welfare there, where they rehabilitate children. Where maybe all those stubborn children who don't want to hear word now, and here they bring them come and they at tender age for rehabilitation. This place too now, this Sansi filling station now, na house I see dey here. House I see dey here. And so they see carry, that's so they see sell full filling station for here. Na part of the thing we to do with the gain for the enjoy for the upper. Now this filling station. Filling can go for you say for a matter for upper. Filling station full everywhere. This one our late chief has too. This one also now Owenso has popular chief Owenso. See the picking night day now they exist for hereditary. Yeah, now that Owenso filling station where every upper people know. Yeah, now be Owenso filling station. This one I be Ubeko Primary School. May I drive go the gate so that we fit get and where. Yeah, now be Ubeko Primary School. This tank where they here so project from our former local government chairman, and they still do all those ones for them. If you go forward now, all these places na plaza here now where they do tests. All those hospitals where they do tests. You see the primary school where now you see they see one building where they put on top now. See one building they put on top now. They make them to be upstairs. Now the governor now Obaseki now they do that one. Our Shomole now do all this roofing. This green, this red roof where they so now Obaseki now they do the upstairs where they. Then this place too, where mega fleet station dey now, they not be mega they fair put for here, but it be like the fleet station where they put for here, mega come follow the buyer so that the thing will move where. See on another fleet station too. This one be Jesus Christ Road. You see the Jesus Christ where they moat for there, and they know say hey, Jesus Christ Junction, Jesus Christ Junction. I be the popular Jesus Christ Junction where everybody know. And this place, so now that primary school now we see go come out for as primary school. This place, this very house, so after this filling station, so now here be the supermarket where all of us they come that time. 80s. Now here be our supermarket because it really rain. Don't change well. Things don't change well. Things don't change well. Even this house that time itself, now one of the best house for this area, but. We don't feel reason I go there again. We don't feel reason I go there again. Here na popular Biwak Junction. This one na Biwak. Then I normal get work with. Now we dey go, they can get one big tree where they here. That tree they say that they checking at that time. They normal get work with. If you just touch on it, your fence. This one is all of us. The fear that time. See Biwak Junction and I hear all laborers and they stay. See all of them now. They wait for work. If you just see park now, all of them go run come meet you say that they find work. Monobus, where one popular musician, Francis Lau, brother, put for here. That one to now see in Nigeria. And so on that place, on this place on Folaro, now they start but as it can't be now renting, they can't rent. I'm like the owner, personally not this still be again. They can't give an out to rent. All a word of truth. Their school be this. Their school be this. This one is Mucheche Junction. If you see this Mucheche now, they don't grade down. I just say a word down. They'll soon tie this one now. Go come out as a savior too. Same thing. And this place now be Amuwa. All this road so now Obaseki so nice tire. This one a popular police station junction. Ubeko police station. The Ubeko police station. How we all dey so? And Ubeko police station. Not be only this one dey. Another one sit dey front. Here na Amuwa. And this one I go lead to all those area there where you want come out. That one I lead to all those sky waka. And this one too nicely lead to the same Amuwa. After the police station there, another Ubeko market sit there. And I hear women they buy corn. This place they never come now from 10 o'clock now you see them they go gather. They'll be back on. Here too, maybe Erediawa Junction, popular Erediawa Junction. Now be this one, so this side road. This one I go lead to Saple Road. Now this same Obaseki. Now I can link out. To Saple Road. So here now Ogubo Primary School, Ogubo Primary and Secondary School. So now old private school for upper. very old private school for this upper. So it's gonna be a gumbo. They just really do some renovation now. They do some renovation now. So this one, now the road before Osarime Junction. This very road. So now one man, where they put for oil and gas. Now I tie this road during tenor. Now I tie this road, tie this other one, go to Osarime. Come in. This matter is just coming inside last year, and it they move. If you enter here, you know see something buy. Before you go get something, you go have to stay. You have to stay queue before you get something buy because all people they really patronize them for here. Yeah. So this one be the Osarime Junction. This is Osarime Road, and then now this road that the man dey, and then so now another car wash too. Business they go on well for this area. Go on. Another fast food joint. That be this one. This one they just put a joint in case maybe you know if you go matter, they sell ice cream for you everything. In case maybe matter is too, you see the you see too full, you feel see enter here. Take consider buy what you want buy. Bit biter. And they call this one. And see another pharmacy here na Presidential Villa Hotel. Very popular. Old school. Very old one. Presidential Villa Hotel. The owner too. And by itself they call the manager now. Then this one they only build this one for here. This Pride. You know another where they sell food again too. And they only put this one for here. This filling station too. This land they here for long. They not selling house, nothing. But now once they didn't sell now they can't put filling station for here. So filling station for upper. Many. This one former Nogi house too. This one a moat too. Another moat upper. Another moat with the upper. That be this one. Another moat with the upper. Here na standard. I have standard secondary school, primary school with the upper. Another secondary primary school with the upper. That be this one. Then here na popular Nomayo Junction. I will let me you. Here na popular Nomayo Junction. Popular Nomayo Junction. So governor don't already award this one now. Anyway, from now the office starting to the work on Nomayo Junction. So to come out for St. Saviour. One is now here na Abiku. The one is where they go close to now. We are very close to this Abiku. Here na Abiku. Now here be the main Abiku. They do battery, motor battery. They do one for inside here. Not say that they import a corner here. They do one. They manufacture. Here na Abiku Road. They name this road. And I hear this our water board day for upper before. Though you see the work, not be say before. You see the work. Just a borehole don't cover everything. This one a Abiku market. From 2 hours from now, you see I say bush meat don't full everywhere. You want buy yam, I hear. They get different vegetables. This station now where they for the fish here. I say I hear they got the fish for here. So here now here be Omorige motor, popular Omorige motors. But though you know they exist again, if you want to buy Peugeot pass or anything you want to buy concerning Peugeot, that time I would buy. Even then my dad they use Peugeot. Now here they send us the come. You enter motor, you come from up the ring road, say now up you they go. You have to say Omorige motors, they will stop you for here. So another old filling station for this upper too. But because of the way this independence they never work on her. Independence road, they never work on her. So erosion don't take over that independence road. I mean that one not see to carry. This place so where we see so not be this station fair day now one to fair day. But this people will come so now they can't even change this place. In fact, for the whole of 4% and therefore even they keep pass. All this place now old houses before where they change, so we see buildings up now. All these now old houses, they destroy them. Come rip, put another new house where they follow. Also we all this one. So you see all this place now? Yeah. Now. They are the way they distribute drink for upper. You know, your mug we here now AY is on AY road. They call AY popular, one more popular no Ubebe. Now if you be aware of this before the mark on late. So they go this place to very popular house. Imadi years, now be this one. You see they go so. I be Alesso filling station. Late Alesso filling station. Alesso, I ain't get this filling station. They renovate her now. They renovate her. This one too now, let's see here. This mattress filling station. See this road so now, individual person now your tire. This very place of mattress filling station. Now, let's see here. Before the cause seller, destroy rebuild them again. Here too now, another place where they reload the aquarium. From there now you see all those, it's on a keke park before car market. All these keke so we see so. Now they go inside Okabe, when they come out for Saple Road, and they be this one. Another Okabe Junction. This Okabe Junction. So now from here now car market don't start. Like yesterday now they do the car market. From here now car market don't start. Every 4 days now they do one. And then 4 days they do car market. Now after 4 days again now they do the next tomorrow now they see do one again. But the main market is there inside though. But people start this place start from the road and it be the awareness. Even pass, they go front. Not saying they still sell for this side. See yeah. On the market day, now the market they extend, they go far. They go far because space not there again to shade. So people come they extend and they go far, they extend and they go far. There's a couple of Akube Road. This is very one. Akube Road. Then I be hanging aluminium. Hanging aluminium. This fence compound. They produce hanging aluminium. This is they produce them. So you see all this one now new houses for upper this place. So those one not fair, enough fair day. Where would they come? Not day. Then here now popular NEPA office for upper where they put this smoker phone so. I be NEPA office. You enter motor now say you go NEPA office. Now be the NEPA office where everybody just know. Where Moka phone this soon. When somebody for the content so and then be the main NEPA office. And Moka phone fed day here. So they're not there again. They don't relocate off here. So I make that pet sit there as Moka phone. So they go now. Also jam this this filling station we see the left. So this at 10. Oh yeah, so this one not you don't tell this one there yet, but not be this name they first get. But now lead of the old school. So now they can't change them. Oh, so bad. One of the oldest filling station for the whole of Upper. That be this one. This one has school now. This one na school for this side, and this one na East Snow. We get East Snow hotel, really open for upper. This place na the daycare, body house and all that. And they here now, very organized school. And now they not get problem. They not get no disturbance. And this office na be NDLA office, NDLA Nigeria Drug Law Enforcement Agency office for upper. And at the headquarter, you'll be like state CID na their headquarter. That be this one for here. NDLA office na their headquarter be this one. Nothing I say they even pound Dangote motor. But yeah, so they don't they take nonsense from anybody. All these people you see so they put for here so I pound them. And here be Niger Cats. Niger Cat normal where there's this now we all the call it Niger Cat based on saying here now the popular will fit take give man. Here if you want travel go Oriomo. If you want travel go Oriomo. So now here you fit enter before the enter motor not be way park all day everywhere now because as the world is civilized and so the park too is full everywhere now. Niger Cat. But the main Niger Cat na front the day before, but they know they exist again. So now we just come give them to that place. I made the carry as Niger Cat. This one another filling station too for upper. Another school filling station. Another old filling station for upper. So yeah, so now another police station before, but I get one time, armed robbers just come up, they shoot one of their person here. So God that thing, I made the police station, they just try to block them. I heard this one a cattle market where they sell cow. I just see this side so. So they don't want to turn and I be Afuwa Junction. They left. Afuwa Junction. Here now be Dao Street. Here be that's here now be Afuwa. Then by your right now be Dao Street. This very one so we can the load so now be Dao Street. That is Dao Church that time when the rain. Now be this one. So here now this place now house first day. They have to sell give man to church, to filling station. I mean, what's it there now? So would they go now? All this place now? Now would they approach 3 years now? And get one house where they build the 3 of them together. If you reach there now, you see, I make the call and today. Here I be like this one a market too. Oka market too. All of us know about the Canal market. So normally for Benin, we call it Obieki. I be that one. So all this place now. All this outside they don't renovate them. This feed so now be got definitely feed. When they come every Saturday, they play ball. On the play ball. So if you want to do party or event, they see they do events whatever here. So they go here now. I be 3 years. So this, so see the 3 years. I be 3 years, see the roof now. They put it together. 1, 2, 3. Now this shade now, I block the roof. The way the roof stay there. I be 3 years.